nice view here. Ooh. So it's the plaza where it's located. Inside the Hills Plaza, and it's a small resto. Okay, you'll see the name. It's called Macacao. Okay. Yeah. So you sit down here and have a dine. Their menus. Okay. And then I want to taste only the finest cacao. Ooh, there's bibingka and puto bumbong. Okay, Baba, are you ready to taste everything?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm excited.
Yay, I'm excited to taste also. Ooh, here it is. So it's like 5 to 10 minutes preparation because of the cacao. This is salted bibingka, and this one is makapuno bibingka. Yeah, okay. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.
Bibingka.
Okay, I ordered cacao with mint, and then Mama ordered cacao with coffee. Okay, so let's enjoy. Okay, I tasted the makapuno bibingka, which is I like the bread. See, is bouncy and very soft, and just nice texture, soft and hot. So good. Then he tasted the salty egg. Yeah, it's nice also, and the aroma and the thing of the cacao with the mint. It's very thick cacao, but you know, there's a sweetness in there, so it's quite thick sweetness, but the cacao is nice. It's nice for a good beverage, but for those people with avoiding too much sweet, is maybe you just regulate it to lesser sweet, but the cacao is there. Nice. And the meat is pure peppermint leaves.